उसके लिए चाहिए सुपर हीरो जैसी बॉडी, सुपर हीरो जैसे डांस मूव्स और सुपर हीरो जैसा हार्ट। सो वी हैव विद अस हियर अ फ्लाइंग जट, टाइगर श्रॉफ। रेमो डिसूजा डायरेक्ट कर रहे हो तो सुपर हीरो के डांस मूव्स सुपर तो होनी ही है। प्लीज वेलकम द फ्लाइंग डायरेक्टर रेमो डिसूजा।
How are you? Hello. Hello. Hi.
So हमें लगता था कि सुपर हीरोज बहुत लकी होते हैं because they get the best girls. But today we are here for the launch of the official merchandise of a flying jut. So what do you mean? It's very cool that a superhero we have an entire range of and for Tiger Shroff. So how does this feel?
It's a huge honor. बचपन से मुझे एक सुपर हीरो बनना था and I used to always have these Spider-Man figures growing up. और आखिर I have a figure of my own, a flying jut. So it's an honor.
Thank you, Remo. We have you here. We are so excited. Can you tell us something about why making this character flying jut? When you were thinking of doing this?
My God. Actually इसीलिए बनाया है पिक्चर, मैंने इन्हीं के लिए बनाया है। यही वजह है क्योंकि फ्लाइंग जट यहाँ पे। So I'm very happy. I think we should just.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, we're very excited. We have the official merchandise of Flying Jut. The entire range is here. Remo and Tiger, may I kindly request you to please unveil the range for us? Are we guys excited? Which is your favorite product? It's going to be very difficult to choose. Tiger, which is your favorite product from this entire range? And he's chosen the bobblehead! We can see a flying jut and we can see Raka, the super villain, and we all know that Nathan Jones, aka Raka, is there. So Remo, may I request you to please tell us something about this?
That's the nature man. This is the pollution man, basically. And of course, flying jut gets power from nature, and this guy gets power from pollution. So yeah.
So it's nature versus pollution, man. Tiger, what do you think of the entire range? We have so many products in the merchandise. What do you think of this?
I think it's lovely. I think we've covered just about everything from t-shirts to cups to pillows and lovely design. So whoever made these, thank you so much. And I'm going to use this for my car. And I'm going to sleep with my flying jet pillow now. I'm very happy. I love you. I love you.
What do you have to say about this entire range?
I am so excited about after seeing all this. I think it's amazing. I'm very happy that they made
TBS Planet. This merchandise will be available on Amazon, Flipkart, Gingercrush, Utpatang.com and other retailing portals. I would now like to invite the licensee of Gingercrush, Mansha Sood, also Imaypreet from Wowheads and Mr. Rajiv Tamankar from TBS Planet. Right, so all of you now can experience the superpowers, and how can you do that? With the official Flying Jet game! Woohoo! And let me tell you one thing, that this game is developed by Hungama Games. So let's talk about the official Flying Jet game, and for this, could you please tell us something more about this game?
I mean, it's all about superheroes. We've got the superhero here, we've got the superhero director here. Hungama has been very excited and proud to bring the Flying Jet game to consumers. It's a first of its kind game for India, where we've actually done a multiplayer game. So technically Tiger and Remo both can play against each other in the game. It's what we called an endless game, where the game never finishes. You can continue to play and get superpowers, get what they've done in the game in terms of the superheroes. We've been able to get some of those stories into the game as well. Without further ado, I'd like both Tiger and Remo to unveil the game.